Are you tired of tire dressings and gels that just don't seem to last? Say goodbye to constantly reapplying and hello to long-lasting tire protection with Pinnacle Black Label Tire Clear Coat. This is an easy to apply product. The biggest thing is making sure that you have a surgically clean tire with a good tire cleaner, and then of course your applicator and the product itself. Apply the product to the applicator and then briskly work it on your tire. This durable, tough coating can withstand all dirt, mud, and dust your tires may encounter. And the best part, if you want to customize the level of shine to your tires, you can simply layer on more clear coat until you achieve the desired look from matte to high gloss. Best of all, Pinnacle Black Label Tire Clear Coat is safe to use on any type of tire. So why wait? Give your tires the protection they deserve with the Pinnacle Black Label Tire Clear Coat. You can get your bottle at Autogeek.com today.